If you have a Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, you can opt into the Windows Insider program to get previous build. This is not permanent, you are free to opt out whenever you like. This is intended for people who don't mind experiencing and reporting bugs. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to join the Windows Insider program and test new features. Click Start menu, click Settings, click Windows Update, then click Windows Insider program. Join the Windows Insider program. Click Get Start. Select Link an account. Select your account. Click Continue. Click Continue. Then select Dev Channel. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Restart. Click Start menu. Click Settings. Click Windows Update. Then click Windows Insider program. Click Open Windows Update. Then click Check for updates. Wait a while for the update to finish. Then click Restart Now button. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.